Welcome to Ali Picked, where I've got a huge announcement for you. I thought I'd take a break from installing this hand railing here to let you know that I'm going to be starting a second YouTube channel today. Now, my first hobby before woodworking was doing magic tricks. I even built a couple on this channel. In fact, you don't know this, but I often use magic to help me on my Ali Picked projects. Like, I need a hand railing here, but I'm not in the mood to hop in my car, go out in the cold snow just to get a railing. So what do? I just reach into my magic tool bag and pull one out. Perfect. My new channel is going to be called Dad Magic, where I'm going to show you how to build tricks that are good enough to fool your kids. Here's a sample. Welcome to Dad Magic, where all of my tricks are simple and just good enough to fool your kids. This trick is called the stand-up pencil. Dads, you can use magic as a teaching moment for your kids. For example, you might say to your daughter, Emily, it's important that you listen to your teacher. When she tells you to sit down, you sit down. When she tells you to stand up, well, then you stand up. Now that's just a sample of one of several videos that are going to drop today. I'll have a link to my channel up here. I'll have one at the end of the video and also in this video description. Now, I need you to do me a favor. Head on over to Dad Magic and subscribe. I need to get 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible before I can start getting paid by YouTube for all the hard work I do in producing these short videos. Ali Picked is still going to be around. I'm just going to start this second channel so we can have a little magic fun. And I hope you'll come along for the ride. Thanks a lot. I gotta go. I think my wife is calling me. I'll be right there. Don't forget, subscribe.